In this video, I will show you how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on youtube.com. Now I've set up an example account to show you what to do for this. So what you want to do first is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon up here. Now if you're not currently logged into the correct account that you want to delete, what you can do is come down to the switch account option down here, click onto that and make sure you're logged into the correct account. So once you've done that, what you want to do is come and click onto YouTube Studio to be taken to your studio. So here we are on the YouTube Studio. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is come across to the left hand side to this menu, and what you want to do is click onto settings, which is down here in the bottom left hand corner. This is going to open up a window like this, and from here, if you come to the menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto the channel option here. Now you're going to get three tabs at the top. So we got basic info, advanced settings and feature eligibility. So what you want to do next is click onto advanced settings. And then what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and underneath the other settings, you'll see you've got two options: manage YouTube account or remove YouTube content. So of course what you want to do is click onto remove YouTube content. And at this point, it's probably going to ask you to sign in to your account. So you just want to do that first. Once you've gone ahead and done that, you'll be presented with a page like this, and you have two options. So what you can do is hide your content. So this basically makes it like private. So as you can see, we can do that. But of course, today we'll be looking at how to permanently delete your channel. So what you want to do is click onto the second option, which says I want to permanently delete my content. Now, as you can see, the following will be permanently deleted. So what this does, it doesn't just delete your channel, it also deletes data associated with that channel. So for example, your replies and thumbs up on comments, search and watch history and gift settings. So what you want to do is tick that box to make sure you understand that, and tick the second box, which is about any paid subscriptions you own, which you will still have access to until the end of your billing cycle. Once you've gone ahead and done that, go ahead and click the blue delete my content button. And then what you want to do is go ahead and enter your channel name exactly as it is. So for this example, mine's called Test. So you're just going to enter that into here, click the delete my content button. And as you can see, it says your content is being deleted. So your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes, but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. So in other words, if you have quite a big channel with quite a lot of videos, it normally takes a few days for that to do. But if you're just a small channel with like a handful of videos, the process doesn't take long at all. So you just want to keep checking, and eventually what will happen is your channel will be permanently deleted. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.